Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw the pterosaur, Tethydraco from Prehistoric Planet. We're doing dinosaurs again, so there's a dinosaur playlist. You can always check it out. I'm going to put the link in the description, so it's going to be easy. Let's go through it together. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to go right here, and one of the biggest thing that he's known for, the pterosaurs are known for, is the kind of almost duckbill area right here. And this one's kind of turned upward. If you haven't seen Prehistoric Planet on, Apple Plus, go check it out. It's so good. Oh my gosh, so good. I'm gonna go back. I'm watching it right now in episode 3, and I can't stop watching it. It's amazing. All right. Now I'm gonna go up here, and this is kind of more for kind of the back of the head. All right. So he's obviously turning to the left. And I'm going to go down here, back of the head, and over here, curve, right here. The eye is way up here, so let's put in the eye over here, down, up, and curve underneath here. And then right here I'm going to draw a little bit of a small line underneath the eye, right there, kind of the back of the eye. Kind of gives it a lot of character when you do that. It makes it look more realistic and ties it into the skull shape. I'm going to go over here now, and I'm going to draw a line over the top, going in, kind of for the bill area, and I'm going to put a split right here. Line right there. And so pterosaurs were reptiles, curve back, and pulling in here. Pterosaurs were flying reptiles, essentially. They were not dinosaurs technically, so don't worry about it. I know I'm going to title it just so people see it. People kind of notice that, so don't get mad. Curve right here, looking that way. Give it a little bit of a anthropomorphism there. Fill in the eye a bit. Don't forget, hit the like button if you like the dinosaurs on here, and you want me to draw more that are not on the playlist. If you have any dinosaurs you want me to go over, give me the name in the description. If I've, even if you're not sure if I've done them already, I will go through it. I promise. So, gonna go over here, line. All right, now we're gonna. He has this interesting arms that kind of go down. So right here, I'm gonna go here, the shoulder down from the shoulder. It's gonna pull up a bit. Curve around, and it's going to pull down, very similar to like a bat wing. Curve over here, it's folded up at the bottom, and we're going to run it very high. Right there, okay? We're going to bring that back down to earth. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to run it back. Don't forget, if you like learning how to draw anything, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. On this channel, I go over dinosaurs, I go over birds, I go over cartoons, anything that you want to draw, like Among Us, recent movies. Just hit the subscribe and click the bell notification if you can. I'm a little sick right now, forgive my voice. I'm gonna go over here, down, over here on this side, pull down here, line right there, kind of completing that form right there. Line pit under here in the armpit, curving down this line right there, just to kind of continue going down. If you like the pterosaur, let me know. If you're a fan of the pterosaur. Curve over here for the hind leg area, and I don't believe he has a little bit of a tail. I think, like, let's put a tail right there. He has a small tail. Curve in right here for the legs. He's gonna stand. Legs are short. Down right there. Gonna go over here on this side, curve down. So we get these little bitty, I don't know, like a very like skinny legs. Out over here, in, kind of the feet area. Draw another one back there. Cool. Gonna pull down over here for the far side legs to make it look like he has some 3D, some depth to him. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to curve this line right here. We're going to draw the actual wing. It's going to go down and attach over here. Very, very similar to a bat. That's kind of the way they think he did this. The way he looked. Curve right there. The thing I love about dinosaurs too is that there's so much new information coming out, and there's constant like learning going on, and there's revising stuff. Like they think he had feathers, they think he had fur, like fur. Probably not. Well, they think maybe he had fur, right? I'm not sure because he's a reptile. I'm not sure. But they keep altering stuff. Not like a lot, but they keep updating stuff, right? Because there's new information that comes out. I love that. Line over here, curve up, for kind of the behind arm over there. Line over here. Right on. So we can do a little bit more now. He's got a little bit of coated, almost like fur on here. So I'm gonna throw a little bit of lines, very, very thin lines, kind of around this area, just right here along the edges, to give him a more believable look in our drawing. Right here. Line over here as well. Alright. Line over here, and we're just kind of doing that along the edges. You don't have to put it everywhere. You can do it right there. Very thin, meaning I'm like lightening up my lines. Maybe even like a line right here. These lines, what they do is they tend to give something the illusion of detail, which is what you want, right? For a drawing. You want it to look more lived in, more, you know, anything like that. And if you want it like this, we can fill this back leg in entirely. And this is like a technique for drawing, where you fill this entire back area so it falls back into space, meaning we understand that that is a leg, you know, in the back. You could do that here in this arm. I'm not going to quite do it for this guy though. Line over here for the almost like skin, whatever, the wing. Again, very, very, very bat-like. I want to go through and draw almost every dinosaur I can think of, but like I said, here, like I'm drawing more thin lines right here on the beak. But I want to go through and draw more everything, prehistoric creatures. So please, 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 like I said, go to the comments, say hi to me, if nothing else, because if you say hi to me, I'll know that you were there. But really, tell me some dinosaurs you want me to draw that maybe I haven't done already, or maybe you can draw some over again. It'd be cool in a different way. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You are amazing. Do not forget, there is coloring books that I'm putting on Amazon every single week. Every single week, there's a new coloring book. I'm going to put a link in the description if you like coloring stuff. This is almost basically like we're doing our own coloring book. But they're mostly about animals right now, and I'm putting those on there. So go check those out. There's a dinosaur one as well. But thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.